I'll tell you, another factor for these teams is the fact that the infield is grass. Not a lot of softball players, not a lot of softball teams play with the grass infield. So that also can slow that ball down and getting to the defensive positions.
And Speranza takes strike 2. And the weather has been just beautiful.
Reese's not giving up.
And we've had some wind blowing, so it's not a wet grass infield, but it still does slow down that ball.
Reese's had much more experience, too.
With who?
Norman.
Oh, yeah.
Norman can beat him, but Reese's not going to let the little shrimp beat him.
Third, Leighton picking it up, late throw, but it is again a force. And she gets it there.
Good job, Reese. Good job.
For the second out of the inning.
Nurse, come here.
Let's give some credit where credit is due on this one. Number 1, Jennifer Rand stays with the play. She bobbles it a little, but she stays.
Say hi, Norman.
Very good arm.
I know. Say hi. Hi, Norm. Yes, you're a good boy.
Short hop right there. Picks it up clean. You see her sell it, show the ball, and give that credit to Staples for that out.
And that will bring up the number 9 hitter, Paige Monteseschi. The center fielder grounds it to Rand, who just needs to step on third, and Central gets out of the jam. The East loads the bases, but they can't push across the run. We remain scoreless at the end of 2.
Reese is not going to let that thing go.
Hey, kid. What's going on, big guy?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, you're
He's a
gonna love
good
this.
boy.
I'm wearing the new Hanes boxer briefs.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they don't ride up your leg. Check it out.
Charlie Sheen! Charlie Sheen!
Underwear that stays put. New from Hanes. That's the Comfort Fit promise.
You bargain for me? X Games 14.
He can't hold on to it.
That's amazing. Totally beyond the
Reese is growling, too.
Throw it down. X Games 14. July 31st through August 3rd. Live on ESPN and ESPN2.
Norman, stop being a bully.
No, he's fine.
Wakeboard at Penny Abbey's Pizza in Jackson and Josephine counties. See the official rules at your nearest Abbey's Pizza.
Look at those numbers.
Look at those numbers! Yeah! Oh, such success, baby! Yeah! Can you believe we get paid to do this? It's only Monday. It's only Monday.
Excited about what you do? Well, pass it on. As a Junior Achievement volunteer, you can bring your enthusiasm to the classroom.